The universe, an expanse of space and time, is filled with wonders and secrets that continue to baffle scientists and astronomers. Here are 14 fascinating facts about the cosmos. The universe is estimated to be about 13.8 billion years old, having originated from the Big Bang. The observable universe is around 93 billion light-years in diameter, showcasing its immense vastness. Dark matter, which makes up about 27% of the universe, is invisible and detectable only through its gravitational effects. Dark energy, constituting roughly 68% of the universe, is a mysterious force driving its acceleration. There are more stars in the universe than grains of sand on all the beaches on Earth, a testament to its staggering scale. Black holes, regions of space-time with gravity so intense that nothing can escape, are enigmatic objects found throughout the universe. The Andromeda Galaxy, our neighboring galaxy, is on a collision course with the Milky Way and will merge with it in about 4 billion years. Neutron stars are incredibly dense remnants of supernova explosions, with masses comparable to the Sun packed into a small area the size of a city. A day on Venus is longer than a year on Venus due to its slow rotation. The largest known star, Scuti, has a radius over 1,700 times greater than that of the Sun. The coldest place in the universe, the Boomerang Nebula, has temperatures reaching -458 degrees Fahrenheit, colder than the cosmic microwave background. In space, astronauts can grow up to 2 inches taller due to the lack of gravity compressing their spines. The Hubble Space Telescope has provided the deepest images of the universe, revealing galaxies billions of light-years away. The multiverse theory suggests our universe may be one of many, each with its own laws of physics. These facts illustrate the complexity and magnificence of the universe, encouraging our curiosity and sense of wonder. Thank you for watching.